Hey there, car owners. Welcome back to another episode from number 77 Auto Repair Inc. in Durham, North Carolina. Today, I'm breaking down a crucial concept in car maintenance, the 30-60-90 rule. So, what's the deal with this rule? It's pretty simple. The 30-60-90 rule is a guideline that helps you know when to perform essential maintenance on your vehicle. Basically, at every 30,000 miles, 60,000 miles, and 90,000 miles, there are specific maintenance tasks you should tackle. At 30,000 miles, it's all about the basics. Think oil changes, air filter replacements, and checking your brakes. This is when you want to catch any minor issues before they turn into big problems. At 60,000 miles, you're diving a bit deeper. Time to replace your spark plugs, change out the transmission fluid, and inspect the serpentine belt. These steps keep your engine running smoothly and prevent breakdowns. Now, when you hit that 90,000 mile milestone, it's time for some serious TLC. This includes replacing the timing belt, water pump, and inspecting the suspension system. Trust me, you don't want to skip these steps. They're critical for your car's longevity. Remember, following the 30-60-90 rule can save you money in the long run by avoiding costly repairs and keeping your car running like new. And of course, always refer to your vehicle's owner manual for specific recommendations. So there you have it, the 30-60-90 rule in a nutshell. If you have any questions or need professional service, swing by number 77 Auto Repair Inc., 1023 Holloway Street in Durham, North Carolina. We're here to keep you and your car happy on the road. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe and see you next time.